Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to Math is Easy, Step by Step. I got a new geometric or geometry type of test questions here. And this particular type of question, I have 4 different questions involving this exact same diagram and the same information that you see above the diagram, okay? So 4 different type of questions involving what you see here. Just going to jump right on into it here. A large round pizza has 20-inch diameter, has a 20-inch diameter, and is cut into 8 equal pieces. This is very important. 8 equal pieces. All right, so let me show you that here. Again, if I'm going too fast, stop, pause, rewind the video, and watch it again, please. So you can see here, this is supposed to be, it's not drawn to scale, as I made a note below, a pizza pie, right? And it's broken up into 8 equal pieces. Each piece of pizza is equal in size, length, etc. Okay, and again, it's not drawn to scale, but I did the best that I could. And so, hey, here is the test question. What is the value of the angle of the tip of one slice of pizza? Enter your answer here below. So what is it asking you? What is the value of the angle of a tip of one of the slices of pizza? So I like to kind of just show you visually what they're asking. And they want to know, what is this angle of one of the pieces of pizza in this pizza pie? What's that value of the angle that you see here? And remember, 8 equal pieces of pie. So each one of these pieces of pie, even though it doesn't look like it visually, are exactly the same. Exactly the same. So stick around. There'll be a part 2 video in answering this particular question. And then I'll have 3 more questions involving the same shape, but each one will have a different type of geometric question that you need to answer on these standardized assessments. So thank you for joining me. Math is easy. Take it step by step. Hey, if I've helped you, please help me help others. Like, follow, share, and subscribe.